Hello, hi people. My name is Karthik Viyapu. Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I have done a travel vlog. Today I'm going to waterfalls wherein it is near Devarapalli. It's called as Sariya Waterfalls, also called as Devarapalli Waterfalls, also called as Bahubali Waterfalls. My friend Ravindra Karthik will also be joining me in a while. So the plan is here to Vepagunta to Kothavalasa, and Kothavalasa to Devarapalli, and Devarapalli to Devarapalli Waterfalls. Let's get started. It means కాదు అట్లే వెళ్ళిపోదాం కొత్తవలస. Kilometers. రోడ్లు ఇలాగే ఉంటాయి. సారీ. కార్తీక్ 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 అది లోతు ఎంత ఉంటుందో తెలియదు కదా మనకి. వస్తా రాదు. Sariya Waterfalls. ఓకేనా? Finally, we have reached the destination, Sariya Waterfalls. Right now, we are at the parking area. This is not a like proper parking, so we have stopped our bikes here, and we need to trek all the way. The trekking is around 1.2 kilometers it seems. So let's proceed there. So I was thinking whether our bikes 220 and FZ can do the off-roading. Yes, they have done the off-roading. Sariya Waterfalls, and you can see the location. Secondary bike parking spot. That's the that's the way to waterfalls. Before going to the waterfalls, we need to cross the river. It's a sort of small river. So once we cross that river, we will be able to go to the waterfalls. Let's see how the flow is. We need to cross this river and we need to go there. Shit. Masai Mara river crossings. So this is the situation here. We need to cross this river and we need to go all the way up there. I don't know whether we will be crossing this or not because it's very deep and the current is also very high. So as we are not able to cross the river over there, we walked here and we see a passage here. It is also very risky because like we have only this bamboo as a support. We need to go there, climb up and cross the river. So finally, with so much of difficulty, I've crossed the river crossing, and this is the situation, and this is the situation. Let's trek. We have reached Sariya Waterfalls, and mind, please be very, very careful. You see the pictures here. So those are the incidents and accidents happened over here. Please be very careful. And there is a ticket of 10 rupees per head here. Hey, it is worth taking the risk and crossing the road. Sorry, I mean the river. Have a look. So this is Sariya. If we go one more step up, it will be Valabu Waterfalls, and the other one more up, we will be having Bahubali Waterfalls. Let's try going over there. We have taken good pictures, good videos, heading towards Bahubali and Valabu Waterfalls. People coming to this place, please be aware that there are no washrooms, no water bottles. Come prepared. After the trekking of 15 to 20 minutes, we have approached one more waterfalls, Sariya Waterfalls. Right now, here you will be able to see Valabu Waterfalls, and you see that hill up there. If we climb there, we'll be having Bahubali Waterfalls. Let's go there. And worth a try. Please do come, but be very, very careful here. Off-roading, hill climbing, slippery, river crossings and all. Be very careful. Let's go to the Bahubali Waterfalls. Worth giving it a try, worth naming it as a Bahubali Waterfalls. Woohoo! See the amount of pour it is coming. That's the Bahubali Waterfalls, Valabu Waterfalls and Sariya Waterfalls. Finally did it. And now the trickiest part and most difficult part is downhill. Getting down to the bikes will be even more difficult. Have a look at that clip also. Hope you have enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe and like this video. In a single day, we are able to cover 3 waterfalls.
Number 1,
Sarayu,
number 2,
Valabu,
number 3.
Bahubali. Karthik. Camera. Okay. What Show. So that's all about Sariya, Valabu and Bahubali Waterfalls. Adios amigo.